What is up, everyone? It's your boy Carlos Hernandez, your favorite YouTuber, and we're back again today for a video that I've been putting off for a long time, but I'm going to tell you guys about it today because I'm pretty excited for this. What I'm going to be covering today is essentially my strategy going into 21, even though it's already 21 is like the middle of January. I mean, I put off this video for a little bit, so that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. So drum roll here, maybe a GIF or something. So my investing strategy for 2021 is kind of a modification of something that I started probably like the half of 2020. Something that I started towards the end of 2020 was that I started investing weekly because I was encouraged by other YouTubers and people that I've seen online making money because of how good the market was in 2020. So a habit that I started last year, which I think is a pretty good habit to have, is that I started investing $500 a week minimum. So literally every week, either the beginning or the end of the week, non-stop, I was putting in about $500 a week towards my investing account. I know for some people this is not achievable, but for my job that I had and being in a very great scenario where, I really don't have expenses, I can save everything that I have, this was very achievable for me, and I think it was a better alternative to having my cash just stacked up in my bank account doing nothing for me. And as the year progressed, I started putting in a little bit more because, I'm a very frugal guy. I don't really have these big expenses, and I don't really go out and, go to bars or like order out food all the time. So I basically can save all my money. So my thought process through this was, like I mentioned before, if I can save all this money and I already have an emergency fund and my bank account's fine for any emergencies that may come up, I can put the rest of that money to work for me. So going into this year, 2021, and while I was doing that, I was also job hunting, which I'll make in a different video. And I was very fortunate to get a very good job. Shout out to the man upstairs. A huge blessing. And because of that change and because of that opportunity that was given to me, this year in 2021, I'm going to invest. So starting this year, 2021, which I already started because we're like 3 weeks in.
Bruh, look at this dude.
I'm going to be investing $1,000 every week till the end of the year. And probably for the future, but at least for this year, I'm going to be putting in $1,000 every week. And for those of you who don't know this, there's 52 weeks in a year, but there's technically only 48 working weeks in a year. So by the end of this year, I should have at least like the bare minimum if I haven't lost any money, which, I hope I don't. But at the bare minimum, I should have at least $48,000 at the end of 2021.
He got money, get it all for him.
Another change that I'm implementing within 2021 is that I plan to be more hands-on. I plan to be like a more hands-on trader and especially dealing with my investments. Because how 2020 ended, I was actively managing it, but not as much as I should be or I should have been. And one of my goals for this year is to become a better trader and not just an investor. And as I get to see my account grow this year, like exponentially, because if you watch my portfolio videos, which I'll link out here, I have about like 8,000 currently. I actually have 9,000 right now because of a very good day today. But how small my account is right now compared to how it's going to be at the end of the year is, you can't even really compare the two. One other thing that I've been doing is, like I've been telling you, I'm trying to be a more hands-on trader, being more active, and I'm trying to learn more strategies and indicators and things that'll help me get into trades to be as profitable as possible. And one of those things is actually right behind me. I actually just got into Facebook earlier today because of an indication that I've been using and I've been learning, and it's been pretty good to me so far, called the Ichimoku Cloud. So this is just a Facebook graph, nothing fancy. I'm sure you guys have seen this. And this has been working pretty well for me as long as I stick to the rules that I implement for myself and the strategies that I have set for myself. I think this year can be very profitable as long as there's not like another market crash or anything like that, which I think it's going to be a very bullish year for the market. So fingers crossed, right? Don't want to jinx it, but I think this year can be very good towards my account and my future, and we're going to see what happens. So I just wanted to make this short video for you guys. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like and subscribe and join me on my journey, because it's going to be really fun. $1,000 every week. My account's going to grow exponentially as long as I'm not stupid or anything like that. So make sure you guys, like I said, like and subscribe. Join the journey. It's gonna be super fun. Hopefully you guys can see my account grow with me, because at the end of the day, I'm an ordinary guy, regular guy. I'm 23 years old, or 24 now because my birthday was just a couple weeks ago, but nothing special. I went to, you know, a random school, got a degree, work at a job, 9 to 5. So I'm not like a spoiled kid. I'm not a trust fund baby. I don't come from like a family of traders, you know, nothing like that. So I'm just like an ordinary person. So if I can do this, and if I can put this money towards an invest weekly, I'm not saying you have to do $1,000 weekly, but if you can invest some money weekly, then we can both see our accounts grow, and obviously mine. And obviously my account will grow a little bit bigger because of the quantity and the amount of money that I'm going to be putting inside every week. But I hope my documentation of my journey inspires you guys to, you know, take investing a little bit more seriously, take your personal finances and budgeting and all that stuff, and kind of just buckle down, you know, keep your head straight and kind of look towards the future. Because when you're investing and doing this day trade, you're not looking towards short term or like the day by day. You're looking for, you know, the future. You're looking like 5-10 years from now. And that's kind of my mindset. I know this small account is small right now. Like I said, I have like 8-9K right now, but I know this can definitely be $1 million, millions of dollars portfolio by the time I'm old, getting ready to retire, chill on the beach, you know, whatever, just relax in my multi-million-dollar mansion, whatever. So, you know, it all starts with small steps. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.
Hold up.
WeBull will be giving you 2 free stocks when you sign up and deposit your first $100, with one of these stocks being valued up to $1,400. Make sure to use the link in the description to get this offer.